Sarah doing to Tyler? What you doing to your brother? Sarah, why you doing that to your brother? Sorry. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day, of course, and hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever time of the day you guys are watching this vlog. I woke up this morning and I have a life, so I am thankful. Many people don't get the chance to have that amazing opportunity, so I'm grateful, and hopefully you are too, because you are watching this, which means you're alive and well. I got my workout in this morning and it was amazing. I got a good little session done, so that was good. I'll insert that clip and show you a little bit of what I did this morning. Today, so he's at the table doing schoolwork and Sarah is lounging in her playpen at the moment. Baby's working, so I'll show you guys everybody as the time goes by. Right now I need to go and get me some breakfast. I didn't have my green juice before workout because I woke up a little bit late, so I just run. I went straight to working out, so I'm going to figure out what I'm going to eat right now and then just jump into the rest of the day. So enjoy today's vlog, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, and let's go see the rest of the family. First one up, who is this? Say good.
Look at all my activity I did right.
What did you do this morning? What was your first activity?
I write the number of fingers that there is on Papa computer.
What did you do?
I write the numbers that of
the number of
the
fingers
that there is on Papa computer.
Very good. And how many did you get wrong?
2.
You get 2 wrong. Why did you get 2 wrong? What did you do to get this one wrong? You didn't count properly, right? Right? This one. And what did you do to get this one wrong? It's not really wrong, this one. It's just that you write the 6 back ways.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did not was 4.
And look who is here. Hey yo, hey yo. Hello. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. You coming? Oh.
Sarah, come to play with brother.
Brother wants you to go and play with him. You're going to play with brother? You're going to play with brother?
Yes. Mama, did you know what I do when I was in my bed?
What?
Take off my socks.
Okay. Somebody is awake from their nap. You hear that? Let's go see her. Who is awake? La 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 la. She loves to clap these days. Who is awake? La 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 la. Who is awake? La 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 la. Hello. My name is Mama. What is your name?
Sarah.
And what is your name?
Tyler.
What are you doing?
I finished the build. Look.
Oh, I like it. Good job.
I did the two bad guys.
You did two bad guys. Hi, Sarah. Sarah Leah. Delaveaus. Look at her. Sarah Leah Delaveaus. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Jesus loved the hay. Little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Yeah! Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Jesus loved to hear little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Yay! Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Jesus loves to hear little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy. You're too cute. Come. Let's go. Yay! You want to carry baby with you? You carrying baby with you? Come on. Ugh. Tell them your favorite thing to do these days is to clap. Look at her face. Clap for mama. Clap, clap. Clap, 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 clap. Clap for mama. Clap for mama. Good job. Anyway, you guys, Sarah just woke up from her nap. And I am getting snack prep for the fam. And for snack today, mid-afternoon snack, we are having smoothie. And my smoothie have banana, almond milk, strawberries and mangoes, all frozen. Snack time is in about 45 minutes. So that should be ready in time. So I'm just prepping everything so when it's snack time I just pump up the blender. Brother is making big sound.
You know where I put that? Like that. Sarah can't pull my hair when she wants to.
What happened?
I don't want Sarah to pull my hair, so that's why I put that line.
So how that light is gonna stop her from pulling your hair?
She's just going to try recording, and we're going to say, if she likes.
Tyler, why can't you stand up and speak? Why you have to always be jumping?
If Sarah, like Sarah, don't know.
Look at you, can't stay still. You can't stay still.
Don't know the password.
Okay, so she don't know.
Think, and you're going to write the password, and one of those things, if you write it right, I'm going to say ding ding, but if you get it wrong, I will do try again.
Well, she figured out the password because she passed the line.
No, Sarah, not the right password. The password is ENOG open.
Sarah, come and change your diaper. Sarah,
Mama,
diaper
tell you
change.
that
Diaper change.
you-
Come, Mama. Come. I love you, baby. This girl gonna walk any minute. Come, Mama. Come. Come for this one. Come.
No, I got you.
Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Jesus loves you. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Jesus loves to hey, little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Yeah. What's Sarah doing to Tyler? What you doing to your brother? Sarah, why you doing that to your brother? Sarah. Sarah, why you fighting your brother like that?
Open the door. You can
Sarah.
come with me if you want. But right now, no, like that you don't pull my hair.
She pulling your hair.
No.
Sarah, why you pulling your brother hair? Sarah, why are you pulling your brother's
Why did you
hair?
do that, Sarah? I'm just building a little space.
She gonna mash it up. She gonna mash it up, Ty.
I'm gonna put some toys. Look, some toys. Let your
Delaveaus.
dog mash it up.
She gonna fling with everything.
Naughty.
She gonna throw away everything. Watch. You know she bad already. You know she's a little warrior already.
No, she's not a little warrior.
Yes, she.
Sarah.
I told you.
No, she's not.
Why? A week. Tell her. So, Ty, what are you building?
I'm building a little space for Sarah to play.
What kind of little space for Sarah to play you're building?
I'm going to put some toys when I finish.
She gonna break it down before you finish building. Sarah,
I told you. You cannot.
look. Ah, you'll never finish building that. Tala, take time.
No.
She gonna jump on you, see?
No. No, Sarah. Sarah, no.
Sarah.
What did
Sarah,
Mother
kill
say? No. I'm doing something important. No. No.
Sarah, Tala, take time.
No. It's a little warrior.
I told you.
It's a little warrior. It's a little warrior.
You'll never finish building today.
That was a hug.
No, that's her toys.
No, is that I'm building something?
Ty,
I'm doing something.
Leave her. Leave her, let she play with you. If she want to mash it up, make she mash it up. Leave her alone.
No, why are you saying that? Mama, you two is a little warrior.
What is you playing with her toys? So what to expect? respect. She want them to
You are
play.
little warrior.
Yeah, be careful.
You are little warrior, Mama.
Be
Is
careful.
it you? A little warrior.
Sarah, mash up everything, yes, Sarah.
See? I told you I could.
Mash that, Sarah. Is she a come? Your host not stand a chance. Hurry, Tyler, hurry. She not looking, she watching the TV. Hurry. Hurry, Ty, go faster, fast. You're too slow, that's why she got mashed it up. Yeah, move too slow, man. Ah, she a come. She a mash up it backside.
Oh, there's a hole here.
Yeah, so you can see Sarah through it. Tyler finally managed to build half of his house. You what?
Ça c'est la maison numéro 2. I'm going to put this here.
You guys, I just finished making dinner for today and everybody's gonna eat except Babe. Babe is gonna work out. So today for dinner is fish, quinoa and broccoli.
Quinoa and broccoli?
Yep, let's eat. Go to the table. Go, 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 go.
Quinoa and broccoli?
Mm-hmm.
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
Everything?
Mm-hmm. Steven is 100. All right. And she's having one of her favorite food today. She's having carrots and sweet potato mixed together. And she's having this with the yogurt. And she'll be a happy camper. Because it's dinner time around here, honey. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for dinner today. Or what you plan on cooking for dinner. Right, Sarah? We want to know. We want to know. You guys, Babe just finished working out. I don't think you guys haven't seen Babe all day. Babe, they haven't seen you all day.
You just see me.
You guys, Babe just finished doing his workout.
And he's
You know what?
tired. I am tired.
Leave her, Naila, see she eating.
Yeah, she eating, but she can do kiss and eating same time.
No, she can't.
No, she can't. She can't do two things in the same time.
No, she wants to slap you, see? Can you say hello to the friend?
Hi guys, it's tired time. It's tired time.
It's tired time.
Finish. It's not easy when you walk, when you go to gym. I know so many persons doing it, but it's not easy. So now it's just
Not easy at
the
all.
end of the day, after shower, to eat and to relax.
Then the day is
Oh,
done.
that's how you see when you're single or when you're in couple with our kids, and you can work out much easier.
Oh yes,
Oh.
if you're single and don't have no kids, take the time.
Oh.
to
Everything
work
getting
out.
harder with
When
the
you have family,
kids.
it's not easy. But if you prioritize, it can get
Then
done.
you're happy. When it's done, you feel
Oh, yeah.
satisfied. You feel
yeah.
satisfied. I feel satisfied.
Oh yes. And I'm so proud of you.
Oh, I
You're
like
doing-
taking that.
You're doing well. You're doing really, really well. I'm proud.
Alright. Let me shower.
Alright.